Come back, Bobby. It's been a few years since I seen my penis. My belly's got too big and now it lays atween us. I know he's still there, but by touch alone or the occasional photo with my mobile phone. My missus sees him and says he's fine. I'd love to see for myself, spend some time. So I'll need to do something, like lose some weight, exercise and stop drinking, and licking my plate. I'd love to see him afore I die. I better shed some stones or at least give it a try, 'cause it's up to me to put the work in, although the missus says she'll help shag me thin. We had such a good bond, me and him. We can do again if I joint a gym, but nothing can be done for saggy boys. That's just getting old, it's one of nature's flaws. So maybe by the next time if you see me, I'll be a bit thinner but still quite beefy, and with any luck and a slimmer body, I'll be reacquainted with my Bobby. Come back, Bobby.